If you want to take a screenshot with the back tap gesture on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit and search for the Gestures option. Once you go to Gestures, then in here we should be able to find the Quick Launch option. We're gonna go over here, make sure that the Quick Launch is enabled, and tap on the setting icon that we have in the bottom left corner. Then here we need to switch from Moto AI to the Take Screenshot option, and then you should be able to double tap the back of the phone in order to capture the screenshot. Now, in case you need some help with this, then of course we can also check out back these settings. Let me actually go back over here. Here we go. And you should be able to use the try it out option in order to find out where you have to tap and how strong you have to tap in order to make sure that the phone detects double taps. So in my case, usually I tap like over here in this area, although I noticed that it doesn't really work all the time, unfortunately. So you might be able to find your spot, but usually the upper side is where you want to tap. So you should be able to practice a little bit, and then you can check out if it works or not. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.